I made a brown butter latte nis. It changed my morning routine. Hey coffee lovers, welcome back to the channel. Today we're making a brown butter latte. A rich, nutty twist on your classic latte that feels like a cozy cafe treat right at home. With warm browned butter, smooth espresso, and creamy milk, this drink is pure comfort in a cup. If you love unique coffee flavors, you're going to love this one. Let's get brewing. Ingredients: you'll need 1 shot of freshly brewed espresso or U-cup strong coffee, 1 cup milk of your choice, 1 tablespoon unsalted butter, 1–2 teaspoons brown sugar, and a pinch of cinnamon or vanilla extract for extra flavor. Directions: begin by browning the butter. In a small saucepan over medium heat, melt the butter and continue cooking it until it turns a golden brown color and releases a nutty aroma. Be careful not to burn it. This step adds a deep, toasty flavor that makes this latte special. Next, brew your espresso or strong coffee and pour it into your favorite mug. Stir in the brown sugar, if using, until dissolved. Slowly add the browned butter and mix well. In a separate container, heat and froth your milk until hot and creamy. You can use a milk frother or whisk it vigorously for a light foam. Pour the milk over the coffee mixture, holding back the foam. Then spoon the foam on top. Finish with a sprinkle of cinnamon or a dash of vanilla for a cozy touch. Stir gently and enjoy your warm, nutty brown butter latte. And that's your brown butter latte. Smooth, nutty, and absolutely comforting in every sip. If you enjoyed this cozy recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your fellow coffee lovers. Try it as your new morning favorite or an afternoon treat. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next delicious coffee creation. Happy brewing, friends. Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinyurl.com/3coffeelover.